Ooh, mama, what's for dinner?
Well, I thought we'd try some grits and shrimp.
Oh boy.
All right, here's the grits.
Thank you.
All right, here's the shrimp, Josh. Want some more?
No, no, that's good. Thank you.
Okay. I really outdid myself on this job.
Ooh, what you cooking tonight?
I'm making hot wings for the game. All right, you be careful with them, okay?
Dang, mama, you starting already?
Yes, I am. Can you finish this while I get the ham ready real quick? Josh, we ain't got time for that today. Josh, can you go ahead and take the ham out so I can put the macaroni in, please?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey y'all!
Hey.
Hey.
When y'all want these hot dogs?
Hey, Josh. What's
Hey.
up?
Yeah, I can take that.
Thank you.
Ooh, what you making with that?
I think I'm gonna make some burgers in the air fryer.
Ooh, okay. Hold on. Let me see it before you put it in there.
Josh.
Ooh, you making hot dogs tonight?
I am. Hot dogs and corn.
Yes.
Hey, Josh.
Huh?
Can you go get me a towel?
A towel?
A towel. Yeah. Okay. Well, it's gonna be buffet style, so I'll see you when you get here. Okay. All right, bye.
Mama.
Josh, just get out the paper plates and cups, okay?